Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium WebDriver and ChromeDriver. WebDriver is the main interface in Selenium. It represents the browser. Without WebDriver, Selenium cannot do anything. ChromeDriver is the specific implementation of WebDriver that controls Google Chrome. When we write new ChromeDriver, we are actually starting a new Chrome browser and connecting Selenium to it. So, WebDriver is the rulebook and ChromeDriver is the actual worker that controls Chrome. Every Selenium action like click, send keys, or navigation is executed through WebDriver using the browser driver. Now, while launching the console application here, Selenium creates a ChromeDriver instance. This immediately launches the real Chrome browser. Now WebDriver is connected to Chrome. When Selenium navigates to Cogmento, ChromeDriver tells the Chrome to open the URL. Now Selenium can type, click, and read data from the page. WebDriver is the brain and ChromeDriver is the hand that controls Chrome. In the next video, we will learn how Selenium open URLs and navigate pages. Thank you.